Hey there, this is John from Stormy Studio, and this is the second tutorial for our 3D blocks template. In this one I'm going to show you how to create your own images to place on the 3D blocks. So there's your blocks, and we're going to create the two images needed for those. Okay, so let's minimize Game Salad, bring up your own favourite image editing software. I've lumped for Adobe Photoshop. Go File, New. I'm making my images at 400 by 400 because it's for a retina display, and the image in Game Salad is actually 200 by 200, but you could make them your own. Obviously squares make your life a lot easier. Okay, so there's our image. Let's go ahead, double click the layer to unlock it. Let's fill it with a bit of a medium grey. Then we go filter. Let's add some noise, and then filter again, blur, motion blur, let's choose a cool angle, okay, let's just scale that up. We just want the nice bit in the middle really, so to give it a sort of metal effect, and then create another layer, a grey. The fill can be on 0 down there. Right click on the layer, blending options, click on stroke, click the stroke layer, position inside, up the thickness, not too much, to about there. So we've got a nice sort of metal front face. Let's actually draw a comical face on it for our own amusement. So yeah, got a nice brush selected, scale it up, something like that. 1, 2, little mouth, and some white in the eye. Let's do a red tongue, a red mouth. Some red eyes. Make it an evil block, an evil zombie, death-defying metal block. Some black, back to the white, put a little highlight in the eye. There we go. And then just go File, Save for Web, just so it's nicely compressed. Keep it a PNG 24-bit. Save images. We can save over these. That's front face. Save that. Replace. I can turn the face off. Okay, select all, then go Edit, Copy Merged, File New, and then so that's pasted that all in one nice tidy layer, and then go Image, image size is half the width, so make it 200, and then Command T brings up Free Transform. Hold down Command, and then you can grab a corner and taper the edges of the block of the layer. You could also, if you wanted to, depending on where you're going to place the blocks in your scene, you can grab the middle, hold down Command, and move it. So maybe if it's going to be at the bottom of the scene, you might want it angled like that or like that, whichever works. But for me, for this one, I'm just going to leave it in the middle. Press Enter, and let's turn off the background layer, and then go File, Save for Web. Actually, before we do that, let's use one of the effects here. Let's drop that down to Burn. We can add some darkness to this, since it's a side layer, to make it look a bit more different. Shift-O cycles through those. Let's go to the little pointy ball, which I think is Dodge. Make the top a bit lighter. There we go. And then File, Save for Web. Save. Let's call that one Side Face. Replace. And that's that. Actually no, just minimize Photoshop. Head over to Game Salad. And go Images. See some earlier attempts there. But let's import these ones. replace, replace. There we go, very similar looking guy. There you go. So just drag the images on. You could also drag it up to the actors up here, so they become the permanent images. Oh, wrong one. Side one. The side one. And preview. There we go. We've got our 3D blocks with a metal effect and a nice comedy face. Obviously, you can put whatever images you want. I initially made these 3D blocks for my own game to make some buildings. So I might perhaps add a helicopter pad and some chimneys to the front face, and then lots of windows and whatnot on the side to make it look like you're looking at a building from above. But you know, you could do whatever you wanted. So much you could do with this template. You could make platforms for a 3D sort of pseudo 3D platformer game. Make a cool menu where your menu slides in and the camera slides off into the game. Buildings. Make some walls, and like with a bit of effort you could perhaps make a 3D maze or some sort of first-person shooter where you move the camera, shoot someone, dive back behind, jump out. Take a bit of working out, but it's all there. So I hope you like the template. There's some basically good maths in there which make it all tick. There's a few constraints on each actor, and as you can see, the images are very easy to replace, and you can create lots of nice effects. Hope you like the template again, and thanks for watching. Please check out my other stuff on the website. Cheers.